Hey guys, Dan Nestor, McGrath Estate Agents. First and foremost, from all of the team here at McGrath Ballarat, we want to wish you guys a happy new year. Welcome to 2021, and hopefully there's a few less bumps in the road than there were in 2020. But when we look at 2020 as a whole in real estate, we've been incredibly lucky. Who would have thought back in March this year, when coronavirus really grabbed us by the throat, that real estate would kick on the way that it did, and in particular in regional Victoria. So Ballarat obviously being high on the shopping list over the course of the last 12 months, but regional has really become the new black, and we've seen a real push with Melburnians looking at regional areas of Victoria as an option. I think over many years, a lot of Melburnians have looked at regional areas of Victoria as an area of investment. Over the last 12 months, the mindset has really changed, and there's been a shift there, and a lot of people now looking at Ballarat in particular as an area of relocation, and we welcome that interest and that activity in our market. Certainly our local people here that have been invested and owned property here for a long period of time, I think that we're deserving of the growth that we've had over the last 12 months. It's been coming. We've been telling people that it's been coming for a long period of time, but it's great to finally see our local people enjoying some great capital growth for their investments here in Ballarat. We had a fantastic end to 2020. We made 26 sales across December. Numerous other properties going under contract. It's obviously a difficult time of the year as well. We only get 22, 23 days in December to do deals. You'll lose the last week when all the solicitors go on holidays, and obviously we have a little bit of a break as well. So it was a mad dash to the end, but 26 sales made across December. We don't carry much in the way of land estates or anything like that, so all of these are house sales. A couple of sales to mention: Crook Court in Balan. That was one that Matt and Jackie got away up there. It was a potential subdivision site for a small residential land subdivision with a property on it or with a house on it. Matt got that one away for $1.1 million to a local developer, so keep an eye out for that one down the track. We've been selling land around it in the Alexander Court area over the last few months now, and Crook Court, this one in Crook Court will be a similar sort of subdivision, so 800-ish plus square metre blocks in there, so keep an eye out for those in the future once that developer gets rolling with that estate. And then another sale of note, number 3 Russell Street in Newington. That was one that I listed, Tony and myself listed, and that one set a suburb record for Newington. We set the price there at $1.75 to $1.9 million, had multiple interested parties, ended up accepting an offer at $1.975 million, $75,000 above the asking price, and we did set a Newington suburb record in the process there. It was $5,000 above the previous best price ever achieved in the Newington market. So outstanding result there for our clients, and a good example of our ability to do deals in the upper end of the market. There's certainly been an area that we've been trying to get hold of over the last 12 months, establishing our business here at McGrath Ballarat, and we're obviously very capable agents and knocking on the door, and we certainly want to get into more of these properties. So if you've got a property in the area, we'd love to talk to you. There was some other great sales made, another one at 13 Nightingale Street in Newington, that was above 800 as well. So really busy at the moment. We're obviously back into the swing of things. We've all had a bit of a break, everybody's refreshed. This week was actually probably our biggest stock tour or caravan that we've had since we opened the doors here at McGrath Ballarat. Everyone in the office, there's a lot of activity about to unfold. There's a lot of new listings about to hit the market. Obviously other people have different ideas at this time of the year, Christmas, holidays, that sort of thing. And there's a lot of stock about to roll out, so keep an eye out for all of those properties. Next week's going to be a really busy new listing week for us at McGrath Ballarat. Rentals, busiest time of the year, so obviously leading into the new school year, the new uni year, there's a lot of changeover in the rental market. Our girls are absolutely run off their feet at the moment. It's a busy time in rentals or in the property management sector as a whole. So we've got a lot of changes that are about to unfold this year. The rental reforms come in this year, minimum standards change. So we're going to be communicating to a lot of our landlords what this means for you guys and what we need to be aware of moving forward over the course of the next 6 months in readiness for some of these rental reforms to take place and these new minimum standards to come into effect. So we'll be in touch over the next couple of months, guys. Just bear with us and we'll get that information out to you as it comes to hand. Guys, thanks for your loyalty over the course of the first couple of years here at McGrath Ballarat. It's almost been 2 years since we opened the doors. It's been an absolute whirlwind, but we're having a lot of fun doing it, and we just love what we do. We've got a great little team here at McGrath Ballarat, but the team and we are nothing without you guys being our clients, and we just want to say thank you very much from all of us, from Matt, Shaun, myself, and all the team here at McGrath Ballarat. We really appreciate your business, and we're looking forward to having another great year in 2021. Any questions, guys? Obviously, all of our phones are always on. Give us a call. Rental, sales, admin. We've got a new trainee starting next week. There's plenty going on here at McGrath Ballarat. Have a great week, and we'll catch up with you soon. Cheers.